Hi, I'm Tom Kreitler.
And I'm Leslie Segretti.
We're here in New Brunswick, New Jersey to tell you about a very special renovation project that's brought together a major manufacturer and a major charity.
That's right, American Standard and Catholic Charities Diocese of Metuchen have partnered together to truly change people's lives.
The project's called Naomi's Way, and we can't wait to get started.
So Rebecca, what is the mission of Catholic Charities?
Catholic Charities is an organization that is committed to serving those populations that are most vulnerable and most in need in the community. That includes families with children, and Naomi's Way is sort of the heart of, I think, all of those things. We're serving families in the community.
I work for Catholic Charities, the shelters. I was homeless and I was looking for somewhere to go, and I heard about Naomi's Way, and I was able to become a resident here. Catholic Charities Diocese of Metuchen helped me so much. I felt safe, I felt secure, I felt a lot of relief lifted off of me, and there was hope. And I share my experience because I can really relate to a family coming in.
Hey, Rich.
Tom, how you doing?
Good to see you.
Good to see you.
You've got a grand old building here now. This has been a transitional shelter, but you're making a big change. Tell me about it.
Naomi's Way is moving to permanent housing, which means now instead of a designated time frame for our tenants to stay, once they're here, they can be permanent tenants.
So what's the plan here? What are you doing to each unit?
Well, the plan had originally started out as Catholic Charities Diocese of Metuchen looking to redo the 12 kitchens.
Okay.
That fell within our budget, and it was an area in the building that really needed a lot of attention. And then American Standard stepped up and offered their partnership with us on the project, and that enabled us, through them donating both the products and the labor, to attack the bathrooms as well.
All right, well, we got a lot of work, so let's get to it.
Okay.
Well, we're in the midst of this project right here at Naomi's Way. This kitchen's already been torn out, and you started to put it back together. Rich, what's going on?
Yes, we've started to get a couple cabinets on the wall. We've put the base coat of paint behind where the cabinetry will go. We've cleaned the appliances that are staying. Some appliances are going. We're making some progress.
Okay, and what about these cabinets? How different are those from those that you had in the past?
One of the issues we've had with kitchen cabinetry in an environment like this is they take a lot of wear and tear from people slamming doors and drawers and everything.
Right.
So these have all the soft close hinges so that they won't slam,
Nice.
which will help them live a little longer in this environment. And obviously, you know, they're updated in style and color.
You must have an enormous water bill with this place. Are you expecting that to go down with these new faucets?
We are. Everything that's being supplied is water saving, so we're hoping that with time we'll see a dramatic decrease in our water usage.
One of the goals with the products that we donated was to have a more efficient living space. So the products that we've donated are both water efficient, energy efficient, so that will save money. Our employees have had the opportunity to use their volunteer hours. Everybody gets 24 hours for the year to do volunteer projects, whether that's here at home or globally. Our goal really is to make life safer, healthier, happier for everyone.
We're now ready to see the finished product and take a look at how everything came together.
Oh my goodness. Oh my God, what a difference. Oh my God, it looks so great. I love the color. It's like super homey. It is. Let's check out the new bathroom. Oh, wow. Wow. What a transformation.
I love this thing.
Yep.
And there's a beautiful rain shower.
Well, it's amazing.
Yeah.
The most important thing for us at Catholic Charities Diocese of Metuchen is the fact that we have this wonderful community partnership.
Yeah.
And the fact that we're able to do so much more than we could have done on our own. It's going to be a game changer for 12 families. It's going to allow them to have a permanent place to live.
How different is this than when you were one of the first residents here?
It's a lot different. Everything is better, it's more modern, it's a whole lot different. I think they're gonna be amazed, yes, definitely so.
It's beautifully done. You guys should all be
Great
so
job.
proud of the hard work that you've done.
I'm Tom Kreitler.
I'm Leslie Segretti.
Thanks for watching.